Hello KP friends, it's Farm Week! Yay! I'm so excited, I love Farm Week. I wanted to jump on and send you guys a video and read a little bit of information from this book. It's called I Love Chicks, Lambs, and Other Farm Animals. It's not really a story book, it's actually a fact book, just a bunch of fun stuff about certain farm animals. So, because it's kind of lengthy and lots of reading, I'm going to read this main part about each animal, and then I'm going to read one fun fact of each of the animals in the book, okay? So the first one is called Hens and Chickens. Hens are female chickens. They have layers of soft feathers that keep both the hens and their eggs snug and warm. Those cute baby chicks. A fun fact over here, the world's largest hen egg was laid in China. It was just over 3.5 inches long. Interesting. See the rooster and the hatching chicken. This one is about goats and kids. Goats are smart animals that are curious about everything. A nanny or a doe is a female goat. A male goat is called a ram. And a baby goat is called a kid. Interesting. One fun fact. Let's go over here. Let's look at this bottom one right here. It says some goats give milk, which can be made into butter and cheese. Interesting. Ducks and ducklings. Let's read about this. Ducks like to splash about in rivers, streams, and ponds. They stay waterproof by spreading a special oil over their feathers. That's interesting. One fun fact over here. Let's choose the second one. Some ducks can fly as far as 332 miles a day. Wow, that's really far. Let's go ahead and look at geese and goslings. Geese are large water birds that can live in and out of water. A group of geese is called a gaggle. That's interesting. Let's look at one fun fact over here. How about this top one? It says geese like to eat slugs, snails, and even mice. Ooh, but it's yummy for them. Sheep and lambs. Look at the cute little lamb. Sheep are grazing animals, which means that they feed on grass. Lambs are baby sheep and grow up to be ewes if they are female and rams if they are male. That's interesting. Let's look over here and read one fun fact over here. How about this one? In Australia, there are more sheep than people. So there's more sheep that live in Australia than people. I did not know that. That's interesting. Cows and calves. Cows are raised in groups called herds. Female cows are kept for their milk and are called dairy cows. Male cows are called bulls and can be kept for breeding. Let's move over here. One fun fact over here. How about this? A cow's stomach is divided into 4 special sections to help it digest its food. Very interesting. I didn't know that either. Horses and foals. Horses are strong, hard-working animals on the farm. They can help the farmer pull plows and carts. A baby horse is called a foal. See that little baby horse? Let's go over here. One fun fact. Let's read this bottom one. The world's smallest horse is called Thumbelina. She is 17 inches tall, which is only twice the